so this is the room at Sequoia Lodge. So we just got the standard room in the main building. So as you come in, you turn left, and we've got a sink here, and hello. We've got some storage. Looks like there used to be a fridge there. Oh, definitely used to be a fridge there. Oh, that's weird. Ah! Don't ask. Better not to know. So then we've got the bathroom. So we've got bath and shower. Looks like we've got a combination of built-in shampoo and body wash, but also a couple of freebies here. Oh, and it's the Disney H2O Plus stuff, and they've got little Mickey hats. That's so cute. So big shower head, although someone's turned the shower head round. And then got the toilet behind the door. Charlie, don't slam the toilet into my face when I'm on the toilet. That's what I'm saying. And we've got a safe here and some hanging space. Storage, looks like there's a cot that you can fold out there. You can keep your bags and things there. There's Charlie looking at the TV. So then we've got temperature control, some of the artwork of Bambi, and we've got Flower and Bambi and Thumper going all around the room there. And then we opted for the 2 double beds rather than the king size bed. And we've got a phone, no sockets by the bed, but all sorts of light switches. Ooh, light switches. And look at that light, that's so cute. And then we've got a table with a ice. I guess there's an ice machine somewhere. Got to have a look for that. Something to do with Pluto. Oh, it's like a customer review thing, but your kids can fill it out. Another mirror there. And then what view have we got? Oh, it's like little woodland paths. How cute. That's super cute. And then obviously a TV and lots of drawer spaces. A couple of oh no, just one plug. One plug. That's your only plug. It looks like there's one down there for the lamp as well, but I can't see any other plugs anywhere. No other plugs. So there is one plug in this room, and then the one the lampshade is plugged into. But yeah, I've got the TV, and yeah, that is the room.